Today, I will explain about divergence of a vector. Divergence of a vector. Divergence of a vector can be represented by del dot a bar and divergence of vector generalized formula is like this: 1 by h1 h2 h3 2 by dou u. U means first element in the given coordinate system. H2 h3 au. Of course, vector A is represented as AU into AU plus AV into AV plus AW into AW. What is this UV, EW? These are the elements in the given coordinate system. Next, here you have dou by dou V, H1, H3, AW, sorry, it is second AV, and last one, that is dou by dou W. If you observe here, it is U means first element, except H1 we consider H2, H3, the remaining two, that is H2, H3. Here V means second element, means except second means 2, okay, that is except H2 we consider product of H1, H3 and magnitude along V direction, or else vector component of A along V. Okay, that is dou by dou W. As it is third element, except H3, we need to multiply remaining two of H elements, that is H1, H2, H1, H2 into A and W. This is the generalized formula. Now apply this one for the Cartesian coordinate system. In Cartesian coordinate system, in Cartesian coordinate system, in Cartesian coordinate system, in Cartesian coordinate system, vector representation is a bar equal to here ax, ax, uvw are replaced with x, y, z, ay, ay plus az, az. Vector representation is like this. And what about the differential elements? Elements are x, y, z. Differential elements are what? Dx, dy, dz. Hence, h1 is what? This implies the multiplication factor of dx can be taken as h1 equal to 1. So it is multiplied with 1 into dx, dx only. And next, h2 is what? 1. h3 is also what? 1. Okay, now substitute this h1 equal to 1, h2 equal to 1, h3 equal to 1 in this one. And at the same time, AU is replaced with what? AX, AV is replaced with what? AY, and AW is replaced with what? AJ. Then you can get, that is del dot A bar in Cartesian coordinate system is equal to 1 by h1, h2, h3 is 1 by 1 means 1 into something, that's something only. Write this something. That is dou by, what I said U means in Cartesian, that is x, first element. Dou by dou x. H2, H3, that is 1 into 1. 1 into 1, that is 1 into 1 into AX plus dou by V means what I said, that is second element. H1, 1, H3 is also 1, and AV means AY plus dou by dou Z, that is dou by dou W, W is this third element, that is dou by dou Z. H1 is 1 and H2 is also 1, and here we will get what? AZ. Here it means what? 1 into 1 into AX, that gives AX. So finally you will get what? Dou AX by dou X plus dou AY by dou Y plus dou AZ by dou z. Dou az by dou z. So this is about divergence of a vector in Cartesian coordinate system. That is del dot a bar in Cartesian system is like this. Okay. Next, move on to cylindrical coordinate system. This is the generalized formula. We need to substitute h1, h2, h3, au, av, aw in case of cylindrical coordinate system. What about vector representation? Vector representation is given by, that is a bar. What are the elements in cylindrical coordinate system? In cylindrical coordinate system, a bar equal to elements. I am writing here. Elements are rho, phi, z. Rho, phi, z. In the previous case, x, y, z. Now, vector is what? Rho component a rho along rho direction means unit vector. For pi, a pi into a pi. For z, az into a z. Now write down the differential elements. I am writing differential elements here itself. So use this space to write differential elements. Differential elements along rho d rho, already I explained. Along pi, rho d pi. Along z, d z. Now tell me, what about the multiplication factor of d rho? We can take that as h1 is 1. And for the second one, h2, the multiplication factor of d pi is taken as rho. The multiplication factor of dz is taken as h3 as 1. Okay? Now I am writing here that h1, 1, h2 as what? Rho, h3 as what? 1. Now substitute this h1, h2, h3, au, av, aw for the cylindrical coordinate system. You will get formula for what? Divergence of a vector in cylindrical coordinate system. Now I am taking del dot a bar. 1 by h1, h2, h3 can be written as what? 1 by rho. Since h1 is 1, h2 is rho, 1. 1 into rho into 1, that gives rho only. Dou by dou u. What I said? U means first element in the given coordinate system. So for the given coordinate system, what about the first element? Rho. So that is rho by dou rho. H2, H3 means rho into 1, that is rho only. And AU means A. U means first element in the cylindrical coordinate system, that is rho. Plus dou by V means second element. What is the second element? That is dou by dou pi. H1, what is H1 value? 1. And what about H3 value? It is also 1. A pi. AV means A pi. Plus dou by dou z. H1, H2. H1, H2. H1 value is what? 1. H2 value is rho. So then you can write rho into Az. This 1 by rho into whole multiplication. Now simplify. Here, can I cancel this one like this? Rho by rho? No. Since here differentiation, partial differentiation with respect to what? This rho. So that's why we have to write like this only. 1 by rho, dou by dou rho into rho a rho plus 1 by rho into this one, differentiation with respect to pi, 1 into a pi, that is a pi only. We can write that as what? 1 by rho, dou a pi by dou pi, dou a pi by dou pi. Plus, here you can observe that here partial differentiation with respect to z means we can take rho and pi as constants. Means we can send this rho out of this differentiation Then you have what? Rho by rho, that is cancelled out. Remaining part is what? 2 Az by dou z. Dou Az by dou. So this is about the divergence of a vector in cylindrical coordinate system. Okay. Now we need to derive divergence of a vector in spherical coordinate system. For that, in spherical coordinate system, in spherical coordinate system, elements are, that means u is r and v is second element theta and w is third element, that is phi. Now here itself also write vector representation, that is a bar is nothing but what? AR plus a theta plus a pi a pi. Here write down differential elements also. I am writing here differential elements for r dr, for theta r d theta, okay, for pi r sin theta d pi. And you can remember like this also. For rho d rho, it is radius of the cylinder. R is radius of sphere. Both are radius. That's why for rho d rho means for r becomes dr. For theta d theta, this theta is angle made by whom? R. And pi is angle made by whom? The projected component r sin theta in xy plane. You can remember like that. Now write down multiplication factors. H1 equal to what? 1. H2 is what? Multiplication factor of d theta is r. And the multiplication factor of d pi is what? H3 is nothing but r sin theta. Now substitute this H1, H2, H3 in this formula. You will get what? Del dot A bar has like this. 1 by H1, H2, H3. 1 into r sin theta gives 1 by r square sin theta, that is 1 by H1, H2, H3, whole multiplication of dou by u means first element. What is the first element? R. H2, H3. H2, H3, here it is H2, r into r sin theta, that is nothing but what? Your r square sin theta, into AU. AU means first element, that is A, means this one only na. Next, go for what? Dou by dou theta of H1, H3, V means second element, H1, H3, H1, 1 into R sin theta, A plus, I am writing the third element here itself, that is dou by dou pi of H1, H2. H1 is 1 and H2 is what? R. AW means third element. What is the third element? That is A. That means third component of A, or else magnitude of A along pi direction. Now simplify this one. You will get that simplified divergence of a vector A in spherical form is given by here. Partial differentiation with respect to r means theta and pi are treated as constant. Means we can write this sin theta out of this differentiation, means sin theta cancelled out. Remaining part is what? 1 by r square dou by dou r of r square into AR. Next, partial differentiation with respect to theta means we can take this r as constant. So r by r square sin theta is nothing but plus 1 by sin theta, 1 by r sin theta, r by r square sin theta gives 1 by r sin theta. Dou by dou theta of, dou by dou theta of, remaining part is what? Sin theta, a theta. Sin theta, last one, that is last one is here differentiation with respect to partial differentiation with respect to pi means r is constant. R by r square sin theta is nothing but 1 by r sin theta, and remaining part is what? Dou a pi by dou a pi by dou pi. This is divergence in spherical coordinate system. This formula is important. We derived divergence in different coordinate systems by using this generalized formula. Okay? What is meant by physical interpretation of this divergence? So sometimes you may have positive divergence, negative divergence, or zero or divergence. Basically, divergence indicates the net outward flow of the flux. Means basically charge is moving away from the field lines are move away from the electric field lines are move away from the positive charge, and terminating at means I want to say electric field lines starts at positive charge and terminates at negative charge. Let us say for this case, for the positive charge, you may have positive lines like this. Sorry, start charge field lines leaving from the positive charge and terminating at negative charge means like this. Here you have what? Net outward flow, that is positive outward flow. Means here you have positive divergence. Okay. Flow from this object, that means field lines are flowing from this object. And here charge terminates at negative charge, field lines terminate at negative charge. Here you have what? This is negative, this is called as a negative divergence. Here outward flow, here inward flow. Okay, so outward flow is taken as positive divergence, inward flow is taken as negative divergence. And what about this one? Suppose I have a field lines of same strength. So object is this one, and here like this. So net outward flow in this case is zero. So this is zero divergence case, and this is negative divergence case. Negative divergence case. This one is positive divergence case. Positive divergence case. Basically, divergence of a vector indicates the net outward flux. Okay? And we can write the derived formulas in different coordinate systems as follows. We can easily remember for Cartesian coordinate system like this. For x, let us say dou by dou x. For y means dou by dou y. Here you can write a. And for z, dou by dou a. You can say here, that is what? A. Okay, now tell me, del dot A equal to what? 1 by rho, dou by dou rho, rho A rho, rho A rho plus 1 by rho. Second element, H1, H3 are 1 and 1. For rho, for d rho 1, last one dz, that is 1, 1 into 1, 1 only. So that's why you can write here dou by dou pi. Here it is what? A pi plus dou Az by dou z. You can observe that in Cartesian and cylindrical coordinate system, z component is same. Okay. So these are the derived formulas with the help of what? The generalized formula. Remember this formula. If you know this formula, you can write divergence formula in the coordinate system. That is what? 1 by H1, H2, H3, dou by dou U of H2, H3, except H1, first element, na, except H1, remaining 2, H2, H3 into E. Second element, that is dou by dou V, except H2, multiplication of remaining 2, that is H1, H3, and second element of the vector A. Last one, that is dou by dou W. Third element means except H3, multiply H1, H2, and W means A vector. So this is all about the divergence of a vector. Thank you.